and I think we can plan how to exploit them all to the benefit of the region and its people. On our challenges, I'm sure you expect me to mention the big gaps in infrastructure and services. Yes, that is a challenge, and we'll come to that. But I don't think it is our biggest challenge. Our biggest challenge in the Southeast is ourselves. Allow me to speak frankly. We have too often been our own worst enemies. We have allowed ourselves to be divided. We've lost focus and lost sight of our biggest assets, namely a sense of community and mutual support. We no longer have solidarity. Instead, we have fragmented as a people, and that has made us forget how to work with each other. We don't support each other. Instead, we attack and undermine each other. We're too individualistic, and individualism can be good, but not when we need to come together as one to enable us deliver. But there's a bright side to this challenge. If our big problem is ourselves, it means that the solutions also lie in our hands. If we can build a sense of common purpose and cohesion, we can solve the other problems. To do this, we need to exercise joint leadership, and that is precisely why it is so important that you're taking this step today. Our other big challenge is security. This has arisen partly from our fragmentation. Insecurity in our region is sending the wrong signals about whether one can invest in the Southeast. I want to commend the governors on the recent progress on this front, including mobilizing the NSA and the federal government to assist. The lesson for us is clear. You cannot have development without security, and you cannot have security without development. And to have both, you need good governance. Sustained growth and development are impossible amid repeated sit-at-home orders from one or the other group. To take this region forward, the security problem needs to be solved. The federal government is obviously an important player here, but there is much to be done at the state level, and that is why I commend your leadership as our governors. I hope that the relative calm returning will become the norm.